Hey guys, so this is a little mini video about MLA Format Basics. So here we have a Word document, and what you want to do is hit Control A, which is select all. Now you can either do this at the beginning or at the end. I like to do it at the end, but here's how to do it in case you want to do it from the beginning. So you hit Control A because that selects everything so that there isn't any part of your main document that isn't formatted. You make sure that you're on the Home tab. You go and you find either Times New Roman, or if it's not there, you can literally start typing and it'll auto find it for you. You also want to make sure it's 12-point font. Then what you're going to do is go in and look at your spacing. So you want to go to where it says paragraph, move your mouse to the right to click that little down dialog box. And what you want is 0 before, 0 after, don't add space between paragraphs of the same style, double spaced. Okay, so once it is 0, 0, there's a check and it's double, you click OK, and now it's going to automatically double space everything you write. So when you're writing, it'll loop and double space for you. Okay, now in terms of the other basics, what you do is you put your name at the top. So you've got the author's name. The next line is the audience's name. The third line is the course's name. Oops, or code. And the last line is the international date of publication. Okay. When you hit enter from your header block, you're on the very next line, which will be your title. So you want to hit center, which is in the paragraph part of the Home tab, and you have your title right there. After you hit enter from your title, please notice you're still centered. So you want to go to left justified because that's another one of the basics of Times New Roman. When you want to do your running head, the easiest way is to just double click on the top of the page because that will open up the header footer. The other way to do it is go in through insert and then insert header footer. But once you're in your header, again, you want to hit Control A, backspace, which will clear out all of the formatting in there. You want to go in where it says header and footer, you want to go to page number, top of page, plain number 3. And that'll give you your number. Then you put your last name before it. Please notice you put a space between your last name and the page number. You also want to make sure by hitting Control A that you have the right font. It should be Times New Roman 12-point font, because the body of the document and the header of the document have different formatting often. So just make sure that you double check it. The trick is to look at your last name up here in the header, look at your last name down here in the header block. Are they identical? Not in spelling, because you can spell your own name right, but you're looking at the fonts to see if the fonts are identical. So that is a quick little video. Oh, I forgot to do the margins. Let's do the layout. Margins. Usually there'll be one that says normal, which is 1 inch on all sides. If you don't have that as an option, you can go into custom margins and then just put 1 inch on all sides. Make sure it's for the whole document. Once you hit enter, now your margins are 1 inch on all sides. So those are the basics for MLA formatting.